semis. Road to Malaysia. First run. Road to Malaysia. Semifinals. Going finals. Road to Malaysia. Jamie, Mika, Jason. First set. 1 2 last lap. Silver, Jason, Maanu. First set winner. Second set, Marty, Jurin at Jamie.
For sale to, tandaan nyo.
Hoy, for sale daw. Semi second set. Good luck, guys. Wow! Nangunguna ngayon si businessman. Last lap, Joren. Blue, Marty. For sale, guys. 1.5 na lang kasi may trophy na eh. Grabe, second set yon. Last set, semis. Last set na to, guys. Jason at Sybil. Last set, semifinals. Going to Malaysia. Uy, membang. 2. Uy, tapos na pala yun. Jason, The Secret Press. Grabe yun. Finals na tayo. Finals. Jason, Sybil, Marty. May naligaw na isang civilian. Baka ito nang babasag.
May naligaw na for sale.
For sale. For sale.
Ako na
Finals.
Sa Malaysia.
Uy, grabe. Finals, let's go. Finals. Tingnan natin kung eto na bang babasag sa sumpa ng mag-asawa. Uy! Tuli ng kalaban. Oy! 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 Grabe! Oy! Binasag na po ang second place! Binasag na! Grabe! Oh, yung taas pala nun! Oy! Oy! Grabe! Paano yan? Paano yan, GLG ka? Iwalay kayo ng aeroplano. Iwalay kayo. Iwalay. 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 Nabasag. Pino-for sale mo kasi. Dapat di mo muna pinor sale.
Na-content pa nga.
Grabe oh. Muntik na.
Get mo the
1, 2, 3.
the home pa no
Yung
home pa tsaka the
Nanalo, wala dyan.
Road to Malaysia champion. Jason Maanyo. Road to Malaysia. Second, Jason. Third, certificate and ambaw. Congrats.